So this is the login screen, and I log in. And when I get here, I'm going to schedule a lab for myself. Go down to the correct course here, NOS 130 I01. I'm going to pick the Windows 10 class. Here is the disk partition. And when I do that, I scroll down here, and these are the pods, and you can scroll across because there's more. But always go below the line to schedule it. And you can keep the default here, or you can change it. Click submit. And then you'll enter it. May take it just a minute to get in there, and there you are. So I hope this helps. You want to make sure that you're clicking the right course in the screen that I showed you. Other than that, I'm not really sure, but I will get with Mr. Oliver if there are still some issues.